Straight away we will start with the cations. I told you cations are positively charged ions. They will migrate towards the cathodes. That is why they are called cations. The cations are classified into 6 groups. 6 plus 1, that is 0 group. 0 group, first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group and 6th groups. In group 0, the reagent is Na2CO3. You have to learn it by heart. Sodium carbonate is a reagent for group 0. And the cation we are identifying in group 0 is ammonium, NH4+. Whereas in group 1, so many cations are there. So I will be introducing only Pb2+. And the group reagent is dilute HCl. In group 3, we have group 2, we have copper. The reagents are HCl and H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. And third group, aluminium and iron, Fe3+ are the cations, and the reagents are ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. And in fourth group, the metal ions are zinc, manganese, nickel and cobalt. The reagents needed are ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen sulfide gas. Next is fifth group. In fifth group, we have 3 cations, Ba2+, Ca2+, and Sr2+. Strontium. Sr2+ is strontium. Barium, strontium, and calcium. The reagents are ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, and ammonium carbonate. And sixth group, the cation is Mg2+, and we will use disodium hydrogen phosphate as the reagent. The group reagent is disodium hydrogen phosphate. So we have to follow in the order. Do the test for 0 group, then go for first group, then go for second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group and 6th group. This is the order allowed for you. In 0 group, we have to study only one cation, that is ammonium, NH4+. So during the Viva OC, the teachers will be asking, the examiners will be asking this question: name a non-metallic cation. It is nothing other than NH4+. Let us see the test of ammonium ions. Students, it is going to be a very important test. If you miss this, you will be missing ammonium ion. Take the salt solution. Salt solution means put the salt and put distilled water. I told you always use distilled water. And add sodium carbonate. This is a reagent, sodium carbonate. I am adding sodium carbonate. So what is your observation? I took an ammonium salt and I added sodium carbonate. There is no precipitate, which means that ammonium is present. 0 group is present. In fact, potassium also is there. That is not in our syllabus. We are studying only ammonium ion. Salt solution plus sodium carbonate, no precipitate, presence of ammonium. Then what is the confirmatory test for ammonium? Let us see. I am here with an ammonium salt. In the watch class, I have ammonium salt. What I am going to do, I will add concentrated sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. And with a glass rod, I will rub it vigorously, rub it. Okay? And then smell it. It is pungent smell of ammonia. So all ammonium salts will give ammonia gas when treated with sodium hydroxide. That is why we got the pungent smell. And if you dip a glass rod in hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, bring at the bottom, near the watch glass, we can see white dense fumes. Just to recollect, the same thing we have done in the test for chloride. We heated the chloride with the sulfuric acid, then we introduced a glass rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide. Here it is the opposite. We put the salt, added sodium hydroxide, ammonia gas is liberated. What's the test for ammonia? Introduce a glass rod dipped in concentrated hydrochloric acid, you will get white dense fumes of ammonium chloride. So that is one test. So we have one more test for ammonium salt. So I have an aqueous solution of an ammonium salt. We are doing the confirmatory test. Okay, so into that we will add Nestlé's reagent. So we are doing the test for cations now. Test for cations. Let us see what will happen when an ammonium salt is treated with the Nestlé's reagent. So we will add Nestlé's reagent. Okay, this is reddish brown precipitate or reddish brown coloration. All ammonium salts react with the Nestlé's reagent K2HgI4. That's the formula, K2HgI4. So we will get a brown precipitate. That's a confirmatory test for ammonium.